Hey guys, welcome to another video. Do you know what happened in Turkey in 2005? And friends, do you know that there is a stone in the world that is more costly than a diamond? And do you know the size of a blue whale? Stay tuned with us to know such fun and amazing facts. So friends, today's fact-tactic journey starts from now. Fact number 10. Jumbo is the word we use it to highlight a big thing. Just like this thing is jumbo shaped, it is jumbo shaped. So friends, do you know where the word jumbo came from? So it's actually an elephant named Jumbo that lived in the UK in 1800 and was the world's first famous animal. And it was huge in size, that's why it was so popular. Fact number 9. Do you know that the 2022 FIFA World Cup is going to be held in the city of Qatar, which has not been built yet, or rather it is still under construction, which has been safe, and it will be Qatar's most advanced city to date after its construction. Fact number 8. Do you know the last bogie of the train has X mark and why? This sign is not pointless. This sign found on the last bogie of the train indicates that the last bogie of the train has also crossed the signal. The station master does not allow the next train to pass without seeing this exact sign. Fact number 7. A man named Robert Lane had two children. He named one winner and the other loser. So something happened that the winner was guilty of growing up, and his name was Loser. He became a police detective in New York City. That's really amazing. Fact number 6. In 2005, a very strange thing happened in Turkey. A sheep jumped into a deep ravine. When the first sheep jumped in a strange way, more sheep came after her and she also started jumping. And while doing so, 1,500 sheep jumped down, and some of the last sheep survived in such a way that whoever died before the last one was laying on top of them. So this is a very strange event that you can Google. Fact number 5. Friends, you must have heard the saying that a rotten apple burns the rest of the apples. So actually this saying is absolutely true. This is because apple emits ethylene gas. If one apple produces ethylene, it can spoil the rest of the apples. Fact number 4. Do fish feel thirsty? The fact is that fish do not drink water. They absorb water through your gills. First, you see in the picture, this part of the fish is called gills, and that's what absorbs water, and the water of the sea is very salty. So friends, I would like to inform you that nature has placed a system in their gills from which the salt comes out of the water and fish enjoy that water. Also, the answer in one line is that fish do not feel thirsty because their gills absorb water whenever they need water, and that's a really amazing fact. Fact number 3. Friends, as you all know, it is easier to say any word in short form, but in contrast, the World Wide Web takes a while to speak in short, as its short form is www. You can type now. Fact number 2. Did you know that one of the most precious stones in the world is mined in the Malene Hills, a 2-kilometer wide and 50-kilometer long mining area in the South African country of Tanzania? It's called Tanzanite. It is so unique that it is not found anywhere else in the world except this place, and it is 100 times more rare and even more beautiful than a diamond. This is really amazing. Before fact number 1, like this video as well as subscribe to our channel Fact Tactic and click on the bell icon. Also click on the all option so that you get notification of our upcoming videos in a timely manner. In the future, you can also get benefit from such unique information and increase your knowledge. And also like our Facebook page Fact Tactic. Fact number 1. The blue whale is the largest marine animal in the world. It can be more than 100 feet long and weigh more than 150 tons. Its heart also is about the size of a big cow, while the heartbeat is 188 decibels, meaning that if this fish is on the ground, Its heart beats 8 to 10 times within a minute, can be easily heard even the distance, and its blood arteries are so wide that a human can easily swim inside them. It can hold 50,000 liters of water in its mouth. Despite its large size, it never dies of hunger because their sustenance is from God, their creator. This is the biggest fact in my opinion, no doubt about that. Be sure to let us know which of these facts you find most interesting by commenting below. And be sure to share this video with your friends. See you with another new video. Take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Keep sporting Fact Tactic. Goodbye.